Hey, I'm Lee Dickey with Dicky Farms. I'm here today with my mom, Cindy, and today we just want to share a little bit about our peach gift boxes. My mom is a pioneer in the peach industry, one of the first to start shipping peaches directly to homes. Mom, tell us how you got started.
In the early 80s, we started getting calls from customers wanting to know how they could get our Georgia peaches to their home. I then began researching what was the best way to ship our peaches to customers across the country.
When peaches are picked, they come straight in from the field and are graded and sized. We only select our highest grade and sized fruit.
From those, we handpick each peach for our gift boxes. We look for the perfect shape, color, and make sure they are perfect for your enjoyment.
Once they're safely packed and secured, we ship them right to your door. Enjoy a Georgia peach this summer no matter where you live. Order your gift box on our website, gapeaches.com, or give us a call at 1-800-PEACH-GA.